on this figure, you can see that we have this angle here, we have this figure, and we have this triangle, and this triangle, it is a right triangle, and this right triangle, first of all, it has this angle, these sides which are equal. If these sides are equal on the right triangle, it means that even if this triangle is a right triangle, also it is an isosceles triangle. And when it is an isosceles triangle, it means that two angles are equal. It means that this angle and this one are equal. And if they are equal, and we know that this angle is 90 degrees. So, what about those two angles? Their addition is 90 degrees, so this one is 45, and this one is 45 degrees. And if this is 45 degrees, what will happen to this? Automatically, this one is the straight angle, which is 180 negative this one. So this angle is 180 negative 45 degrees. So this is 135 degrees. Now, after getting this angle, we see that now we have a figure with four sides. A figure with four sides. And we know that always this figure with four sides, which is a quadrilateral, it is always with 360 degrees. So the addition of all these angles, 40 plus 90 plus 135 degrees plus x is equal to 360 degrees. Now, we can see that our x is equal to 360 degrees negative. The addition of this 40, positive 90, positive 135 degrees. And this x is equal to what? Our x here, you can see that it is equal to 360 degrees negative. This is 130 plus 135 degrees. So this is 360 degrees negative 265 degrees. Now our x here, you can see that our x here, it is equal to this number negative this number, it is equal to 95 degrees. 95 degrees. So thank you very much.